In the heart of the 15th century, a new era dawned upon the world. This was the Age of Exploration, a period marked by the audacious spirit of discovery and the insatiable thirst for new lands and resources. The stage was set in Europe, where powerful nations, such as Portugal, Spain, and England, yearned for expansion. They sought to claim vast territories, establish trade routes, and spread their influence across the globe. This era brought about a remarkable period of globalization, with far-reaching consequences. The sailors, explorers, and merchants who set sail on these perilous voyages encountered countless new cultures, exchanging goods, ideas, and even diseases. For many, the benefits of globalization were undeniable. Trade flourished, as European nations gained access to precious resources like spices, silks, and gold. The flow of goods and ideas fostered economic growth and cultural exchange, enriching the world in ways unimaginable before. However, the Age of Exploration was not without its darker side. The quest for new lands often led to conflict, as European powers vied for control over valuable resources and strategic territories. The consequences were devastating, as entire civilizations were overrun, and native populations were subjected to brutality and enslavement. Moreover, the spread of diseases from Europe to the New World had disastrous effects. The native populations, with no immunity to European diseases, were ravaged by smallpox, measles, and influenza, leading to the decline and even extinction of some indigenous cultures. Despite these challenges, the Age of Exploration played a pivotal role in shaping the modern world. It set the stage for the rise of global trade, the spread of Christianity, and the colonization of new lands. The consequences of this era continue to reverberate throughout history, both in the triumphs and tragedies that have come to define our global community. In the end, the Age of Exploration serves as a poignant reminder of the transformative power of human curiosity and ambition. It was an era of connection and conflict, a testament to humanity's ceaseless quest to explore the unknown and forge new bonds across the vast expanse of the world.